Hi, my name is Vanessa, and today we are going to walk through how a student organization can check their budgets on the Bridge. So the first thing you want to do is go to the Bridge's homepage, which is found at thebridge.cmu.edu. Once you are on the Bridge homepage, you want to type in the name of your org. So we are going to look at Student Body Vice President for Organizations. This will take you to the landing page for the organization you are looking at. The next step is you want to go to Manage Organization. And once you are at this page, you want to click the hamburger menu next to the name of the organization. You will have a menu pop out over here, and you will want to choose Finance. Once you are brought to the Finance page for your organization, you will have the option to select Budget Request or Accounts. You want to click Budget Request. And from here, you can see all of the budget requests that have been submitted. You want to check for the current year or whatever year you're looking at. So if you want to look at one from a previous year, you can do that. We are going to look at the one for the current fiscal year. So you click on the request name link. And once you are brought to the organization budget page, you will want to select budget. This screen will show the budget that was submitted as well as any adjustments that were made during the budget approval process. So you can see that $20,381.50 was requested, and that is the amount that they were approved for. In the budget, you can see the line items that were used and that were approved. And if you want, you can even drill into additional detail for each line item. So here there isn't much of an additional description, but some organizations may choose to put something more detailed there. So you can close. And this is how you can check your budget to see what you are approved to spend. And you can also use this to keep track of your finances throughout the year. Thank you so much.